In this video, I will show you how to create a vintage flash-style slow motion effect in DaVinci Resolve. Please note that this tutorial uses Optical Flow, which is only available in the Studio version of DaVinci Resolve. Let's jump in. Select your clip on the Edit page, then right-click and choose Retime Controls. Move the playhead to where you want the slow motion to start, click the speed arrow, and add a speed point. On the second half of the clip, set the speed to 10%. With the clip selected, open the inspector, scroll to Retime and Scaling, and set the retime process to Optical Flow for smoother motion. Next, open the Effects library, search for Adjustment Clip, and place it above your slowed clip. Select the adjustment clip and go to the Color page. Open the Keyframes panel and add a keyframe on Corrector 1 at the start of the adjustment clip. In the HDR wheels, slightly lower the global exposure. Then, move the playhead to the moment the clip slows down and increase the global exposure to create the flash effect. Adjust the exposure amount to taste, and you're done. This gives you a clean, vintage, flash slow motion look that works in any project.